hilarious. This is some goofy, no, this is some scary shit. People be acting like everything so they show off the paper drip. Cause this is America. No, this is my Cuban, no, this is my Air Force Ones that I wasn't gon' keep, cause my camera gon' stare at you. My style is different, I'm leaving my bitch with a hickey. My bitch can't compare it to. Out the carrot, the finna embarrass them. I can leave them out dead in public, and they talk disgusted. Two ways I can bury them. With the pencil, secondary pencil, I keep a shovel in the trunk just to bury them. Introducing young, exposed and making music. See my work improving in the aquarium. No, this jungle don't care enough. Put my life in the coupe and I fuck up the fender. I act like I bought me a pair of them. It's America, so a love I don't give a none. This is hell, it ain't hot enough. This is dope, it ain't dope enough. Hit the donut, spinning down the street to the tire bus and hit across the head of you. Or I must be a goose to be ducking one. You a goose to be starting one. You a bitch if you borrow one. You a dyke or a daughter, son. I'ma keep it 100, son. You a win to my daughter gun, and you gon' be a part of one. LED in your heart is something. LED in my car is something. Cause my car is not made to run, and I am not made to one. Not a killer, don't make me one. Not a killer, don't make me one. You a joke, I'ma play you dumb. My attention, I give you none. Cause this is America, where they style your character, lay you down and embarrass you. But bitch, I ain't scareable. You a goof, it's lyrical. Acting dumb, so terrible. Acting dumb, so terrible.